Catboy. You won't be teaching them their colors today. I'm going to freeze you.
Using this freeze ray staff.
She's going to freeze Catboy. Ha ha ha. Good luck with teaching your colors now, Catboy.
I'm going to hide the freeze ray staff in one of the containers.
And no one will find it. Hi, you guys. Please help me free Catboy. Let's open up all the Cubeez containers and see if we can find the freeze ray staff so we can use it to free Catboy. Our first surprise comes from the yellow Catboy's tin. It looks like a blind bag. That's awesome! It's a Finding Dory mystery mini. Oh, we got Nemo, the cute clownfish from Finding Dory and Finding Nemo. And he's smiling. He looks so adorable. There he is. Our next surprise comes from the green Catboy's tin. Ooh, it's a Mashem or Fashem. It's a Disney Frozen Fashem. I know who that is. That's Sven, Kristoff's pet reindeer. And here he looks so cute with his itty bitty antlers. Our next surprise is brought to us by the purple Catboy. Hopefully, we'll find the freeze ray staff in his Cubeez. Oh, that's neat. It's a Toy Story Buddy figure. It's the laser Buzz Lightyear. Maybe he can help us free Catboy. Let's give it a try. Thanks for trying, Buzz Lightyear. We'll just keep looking for the freeze ray staff. Our next surprise is in the pink Catboy's tin. It's a McDonald's Happy Meal Batman Unlimited toy. Wow, it's the Joker with his Jokercycle. Let's put them together. He looks great.
Maybe he can tell us where Luna Girl
hid the freeze ray staff. Don't run, Joker. I guess he didn't want to help. We'll keep looking.
The orange Catboy is up next with his surprise.
Thanks, orange Catboy. It's a Secret Life of Pets blind bag. That's so cool. We got Buddy. That's my first time getting Buddy. He looks great. He's the long black dachshund from Secret Life of Pets. There he is on the collector's card with some of the other pets from the movie. Our next surprise is in the blue Catboy's Cubeez tin. We got a Lego minifigures blind bag. I've seen him before. It's Stitch from Lilo and Stitch. What? You see the freeze ray staff? Where? Oh, that's so awesome. Thanks for your help. I'm going to take this to Owlette so she can free Catboy. Oh, Catboy, I've got the freeze ray staff. I can free you now. Thanks, Owlette. You all saved me. Now let's go get Luna Girl. There you are, Luna Girl. You tried to get rid of me. I froze you. Ah! Why are you not still frozen? I can't have you teaching people. I helped to free him. You can't defeat us, Luna Girl. And now it's time for us to freeze you. No! Let me out of here! Let you out? Of course, but you have to promise not to freeze anyone else. Because freezing people is not nice.
Okay, I've learned my lesson. Please let me out.
Okay, Luna Girl, I'll let you out.
Give us a like and share with all of your friends. Click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel.